Hello friends, this is the seventh video. In this video, we will try to create a simple calculator which does addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and average. In this video, up till now we have seen some common data types, and in most of the video we have only used the integer data types, but in this particular video I will be using float as a data type because I am calculating some value, so I want little bit precision over there. So दोस्तों, ये सातवां वीडियो है। इसमें हम लोग एक कैलकुलेटर बना रहे हैं। इस कैलकुलेटर में हम लोग एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन और एवरेज देखने वाले हैं। और ये देखते समय हमने इंटीजर्स का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, हमने फ्लोट का इस्तेमाल किया है, क्योंकि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम थोड़ा सा प्रिसीजन बेस्ड कैलकुलेशंस करें। सो let me explain you this program. It start with include stdio.h, which is including the standard input output header file into our program so that we can use the printf and scanf functions. Then int main is the starting point of our program. That's why we are returning 0 to the operating system, and in between we have written the logic. So our logic is simple. We have declared three variable, uh, a, b and average. Okay, so ये प्रोग्राम सिंपल है। इसमें हमने studio.h फाइल को इंक्लूड किया है जो हमें printf और scanf यूज करने के लिए अलाउ करेगा। ये फंक्शंस उस फाइल में डिफाइन किए हैं। प्रोग्राम का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मेन है, इंटीजर मेन। जो जो मेन फंक्शन अपना स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है वो इंटीजर वैल्यू रिटर्न करता है। दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव रिटर्न 0 एट द एंड टू द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को ये 0 रिटर्न करेगा और यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम क्लोज होता है। और ये है प्रोग्राम का कोर लॉजिक, जिसमें शुरुआत में हमने फ्लोटिंग वेरिएबल्स को डिफाइन किया है। तीन फ्लोटिंग वेरिएबल्स को डिफाइन किया है। यू कैन डिक्लेयर इवन मोर फ्लोटिंग variables like sum, divide, addition, subtraction to store that value and print that value separately. But that operation can be done inline because we are not storing that value somewhere. So I am preferring it to display it inline. Okay. So this is the beginning where we are asking user to enter two numbers, and we are reading those two numbers into a and b variable, followed by addition. Addition is like this is the different part and this is the different part. Now we have defined this variable, declare this variable as a float. That's why in the scanf statement you will see percentage f and percentage f, address of a and address of b here, so that two floating values whichever user will enter, we will read them as a float number. And then we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication. In this, while printing, we have uh, we are printing it as a percentage dot 4f. Percentage dot 4f means it will display the digit followed by dot followed by 4 decimal places. Okay, you can change this to 2, 3, 1, like as per the range of the floating number. Okay, so here simple, it is an operator a plus b. It will it will sum these two number and display it here. Again, it will subtract these two number and display it here, and it will multiply this number and display it here. Okay, so these 3 points are simple and they are self-explanatory. However, the division here I have done little bit different. Okay, the b number is second number. Okay, if the second number is 0, then definitely we will get divide by 0 exception. Any number when we divide by 0, it throws divide by 0 exception, or it will print something like as not defined, nan, something like that, as per the operating system. So that's why this particular thing is called as a conditional statement. It is a if else statement. What is the syntax of this if else? If in the bracket boolean condition, which if boolean evaluates true or false. Okay, so b equals to 0 is either true or false. When b is 0, then this condition becomes true and we will print divide by 0. When b is not equals to 0, it is any value other than 0, then this particular condition is false and we will go here. So this is like if else statement which which executes like this. And finally we are printing the average. Here we are dividing by 2.0. 2.0, this floating number is very very important here. If these two numbers are decimal, then this will make them float. So let's run this program and see the output. 10 and 5, 10 and 5. So okay, addition is 15.40, subtraction is 5, multiplication is 50, division is 2. Correct, correct. Okay, so again run this program for some odd values. 3 and 7. Okay, so addition is 10, subtraction is -4, multiplication is 21, division is, you see the division is this, as well as average is also correct. So this is how our floating numbers and conditional statements are working. This is not just calculator. I am trying to demonstrate the floating number as well as how these conditional statement, this boolean condition gets evaluated, and the either this statement gets executed or this statement gets executed. I hope you like the video. Thank you.